I have very mixed feelings about today's video because the original intentions of cooking on the road was in an RV, maybe in a van, traveling around the country, different places. And today, in today's video, I am not going any more than 3 miles from my front door. There is this beautiful little creek in the woods in a community park, smack dab in the middle of suburbia. But once you walk away from the parking lot, you really feel like you're in the middle of nowhere. Now, that does not mean that there's not going to be some noise because, like I said, we're in the middle of suburbia. And I'm going to cook something really delicious and pretty simple. Well, not really that simple. Not 100% sure yet what I'm gonna make, but this place has got some great fruits and vegetables, so let's go poke around. All right, we're gonna start with some nopales, cactus, build a meal around that. All right, so they still have the thorns. I'm gonna see if I can get them to clean them up for me. Here's some radish. Bag of nopales. How beautiful are those? Cebolitas. And sometimes they got some really good deals. $1 a bag. Onions. Just gotta weed through them. Some peppers. Dragon fruit. Okay, I think that's it.
Is this supposed to come here, right?
Yep, cebolitas. Alrighty, got a meal in the making. Got some radishes, got some limes, some tomatillas, 1 jalapeno, some nopales, cactus, cebolitas, some corn. Check out the gator. Cactus can definitely get a little slimy, that's for sure. Now, you, of course, can do the jalapeno with or without the seeds, depending on your tolerance for heat. Picked some tomatoes from the garden this morning. That's beautiful. I might keep one. That's so good. With garlic. The veggies are off for the roasted salsa. I'm going to put in some onions, some red peppers, some of the cactus, and I stuck some corn. And yes, gotta use our steak seasoning. Why? Because it's awesome. Salt, pepper, garlic. It's got that coriander seeds. So good. Now, of course, one of the biggest challenges of cooking on the road and packing everything in is that sometimes, like today, and you forget something, you got to make do with what you have. So today, I know I said I was making steak burritos. Well, the tortillas were in the car, and although it looked like a fairly quick walk, it isn't. So we're going to have a steak and veggies in a bowl. I love cactus. Have you had it before? It's so good. Now, if you are home, or if you're in your RV or in a van, you can absolutely throw this in the blender. I have done that at home as well too, but I definitely like some chunky style salsa. All right, had to get a little creative since I didn't have the tortilla shells, but man, that looks so good. Steak and cactus bowls. Steak came out really good. Look at that. Oh. That salsa's good too. It's a little hot. So what I love about that fire roasted salsa is that the tomatillos, really bright, really fresh, kind of citrusy. I didn't even add any citrus because I left the limes in the car too. And this is a neighborhood park. I said it's less than 3 miles from my house, smack dab in the center of just one of the busiest suburbs in Southwest Florida. And it's pretty quiet. I can hear cars. I'm not sure you can hear it. I hear the birds. I hear the stream. Got this bird eyeing my food. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Do me a big favor. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.